Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Solubility equilibrium is simple if you visualize the graph correctly. We will analyze region Y to find the relationship between Q and KSP now. The curve on this graph represents the exact equilibrium state where the reaction quotient Q equals the solubility product constant. Every point on that line means the solution is perfectly saturated. Region Y is located above the equilibrium curve, which means the concentrations of silver and chloride ions are higher than its saturation. Therefore, the reaction quotient Q must exceed the KSP. Since the solution is supersaturated, the system shifts to reach equilibrium. This causes ions to form a solid, meaning precipitation occurs. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when reading graphs. Trust given data to find the right equilibrium state.